Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Campus Ambassador from Internship program. Overall waiting for a good internship program to upload in your resume. It will be helpful for you to finish this internship program. You may get your certificate from a soft copy and hard copy. So don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. If you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. Share this video as much you can. This is all about cybersecurity and so many innovative things in this applied here. So watch the video till end. Just subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Then only I will put the video. It will be arrived soon to you and you may get a notification from my videos. So let's go to the video. This is what about Campus Ambassador Internship Program. About us, what they are mentioning is cell of IIT Bombay Asian Program. So last year achievement will be almost 2,500 colleges and 7,000 application and 500 selected candidate and certified will be provided skill development, exclusive content, entrepreneurial spirit and get alignment and price and internship. Chance to visit IIT Bombay. So it is IIT Bombay certificate. You should always remember one thing, IIT Bombay certificate always one of the top world certificate in all over the world and in India also. The price worth will be 8 lakhs as per the course, voucher and subscription. So many things they are mentioned. Publicity is equal to IIT. So IIT internship certificate they are provided with free workshop of 7.5 by industry experts in those tags, learning partners and learning paths and so many e-learning platforms they have provided. You can watch here itself and test terminal who won last year with the IIT Bombay. Mr. Dosri Tarun Ghat from Shreya Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. He has won the IIT certificate and provided a fantastic opportunity better than that. Frequently asked question, what all these questions you may see here itself, what kind of work I am required to, what I gain out of it, update and task, can join the program and interview selection, terms and condition, social media rate partners, so many financial partners are hiring there, contact to their numbers which you are eligible. So just want to click here. And you just want to see the registration form completely. I am going to explain. I just give randomly as Rajesh and email ASM something. So you give your email ID .com, country India, WhatsApp numbers 10 numbers you just want to give. So randomly I am keeping to, and your phone number, give your phone number correctly, then only it will be valid. Your college IIT Bombay I just giving like this. You just want to college state Kerala, give your own college city which is at Trivandrum. I'm giving randomly. You just give year of study, which year, final year, 5th year of study, BCom, BBA, all can apply. So I'm just giving BTech. How do you know about Google? Year of passing 2023 you can give. And next will be what is the registration from. If you have anything just give it, otherwise next you can go. What kind of motivation campus ambassador to provide you? There you just want to type here what is the motivation to learn new skills. Just give to learn new skill, it is enough. So don't go for new skill. And past achievement of our party organization previously, no, you are not done. Are you running or involved in startups? If you have any working in startup company, you just want to give yes or no. I just giving NA. Are you preparing for a competitive exam like UPSC exam, JEE main exam, so many exam they are asking about it. If yes means you just mention I am working for UPSC exam. So that's it, and you just want to submit here. This is what the registration process. So don't miss this opportunity by Bombay IIT. IIT colleges are always top in the India as well as the world. Overall worked in IIT and studied Sundar Pichai, so many candidates get a job due to IIT. IIT certificates are not valid to any company, it will be valid. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply as much quickly. I will provide the link in the description. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Share to your friends. Thanks for watching this channel.